Hi everyone, my name is Charan. In this video, we will discuss about lifecycle hooks in LWC. Lifecycle hooks is nothing but callback method which is triggered at a specific phase of a component, and we have different types of lifecycle methods in LWC. So callback methods in LWC. The first one is constructor, and second one is connected callback, and third one is disconnected callback, and fourth one is render, and fifth one is render callback, and the last one is error callback. Let us discuss one by one. Okay, the first one is constructor. Constructor is invoked when component instance is created. It is similar to init method in Ara component. Only difference is here is flow is from parent to child as opposite to init, where the child init is called first and the parent init is called second. But in constructor, the flow is from parent to child. We cannot access the child element over here. In constructor method, the first statement should be the super and with no parameters. The next is connected callback. Connected callback is invoked when component inserted into DOM, and that means whenever the component is created, constructor is invoked, and whenever the component inserted when the component is inserted into DOM, connected callback is invoked. Since the flow is from parent to child, again we cannot access the child element over here. However, we can access the parent element in child component. Next one is disconnected callback. Disconnected callback is invoked when component is removed from DOM, and these hooks is flow from these flow from parent to child. Render callback. These this hook is used to override the standard rendering functionality, and it gets called after the connected callback, and it's written a valid HTML template. For example, we have two templates in our lightning web component and single javascript file. So in this rendered method, we conditionally decide which template should be rendered and used, and this flow is from parent to child. And next one is render callback. Render callback called after the component is rendered, and these will flow from child to parent. Error callback. This hook is called when the component throws an error in one of its hooks. And suppose we have two components, parent component and child component, and child component throws an error. The error handled by the parent component, and the error argument is a JavaScript native error object, and the stack argument is a string. This method works like a JavaScript catch block for catching errors. So let us implement our lifecycle hook methods one by one. And first I will create the component, and I'm giving name as lifecycle hooks in LWC. So LWC, and first I'm implementing the constructor. So in constructor, the first statement should be the super, and I'm putting the console over here, console.log, and inside I'm keeping inside inside constructor. And I'm taking connected callback, and I'm putting the console over here, console.log, inside inside callback. So that. Next I'm implementing the disconnected callback. I'm putting the console over here, dot log, and just giving inside disconnected is connected callback. Disconnected callback. Okay. Okay, to check the functionality of render lifecycle hooks, we should create another HTML template inside the Lightning Web component. I'm just creating the another HTML template, and I'm giving name as lifecycle hook method hooks methods in LWC 2. I am taking 2 here. So no, sorry. We should name it as .html because we are creating the html. Okay, so now I'm taking div here inside life cycle, adjust life cycle oh, 2, and so I want to create a button here, so I'm taking lightning button, and I'm taking label is equals to go to first page. So on clicking, on click change template. I'm taking change template, and I'm closing and save the changes, and go to the first HTML, and here I'm taking div in inside inside. So I'm taking div inside life cycle, and I'm, I'm taking lightning button because I want to create the lightning button here. So I'm taking label as go to second template. So on click, I'm taking the same variable change template. Putting here, okay, I'm saving the changes, and so I want to go to JS, and here I'm taking change, okay, change template, and just change template. First I'm creating the variable here. First I'm creating the variable here, API template, API template number, and just I'm declaring the variable. Just I'm giving the value to that variable is temp1. So here I'm just taking if condition over here is not template number, because we declare the variable name as template number. If template number is equals to temp1, then this don't template number is equals to single quotes temp. So if the variable value is equals to temp1 and the value should assign temp2. Okay, and next I'm taking else here, else is dot temp, that variable is equals to temp1. So temp1 else is equals to, okay, if the value is remains temp1, the value is same as temp1 only. Okay, and next we on, okay, we will keep the console here, understanding purpose. Here the data is going inside, inside change template, inside change template method. Okay, so next I'm taking, next time I'm implementing the rendered method. So first I'm taking the if condition here, if this dot is dot temp number is equals to temp1 as a value, then it should return, it should return first template. Okay, first template. First of all, we should import. First of all, we should import the templates here. Import first template from Lifecycle Lifecycle Hooks. You have a capital H hooks LWC. LWC. And second, import. Second, enter from slash slash lifecycle hook methods in LWC. And then we'll and here and come back here, and here we should take, and I'm taking health. It should written second template. So second template, and save the changes. Save the changes. Now we are deploying this component to our arc. So okay, it's successfully deployed. And next we are going to our arc, and now I'm calling the LWC component in RA component. To call the LWC component in RA component, and we should give like C colon and component name and end the template, and I'm saying the changes and preview. So here we are able to see the button go to second template, and we are seeing another button go to first template. Here is the result of buttons. And yeah, okay, thank you for all for listening this video.